Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Google Pixel 9a. Alright, so let's begin. So, performing a reboot is really simple action. First we need to open up the power menu. To do it we need to tap the volume up and the power button at the same time. Just like that. And now simply tap on restart. Now, as you can see, the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Also, I would tell you that performing a simple reboot is good for your phone, because during that process some of the background processes are being deleted, and it also leaves some free space on the RAM. So it's good to perform this action from time to time. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.